In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on LinkedIn. If your phone or desktop keeps lighting up with alerts, you can quiet things down without missing what matters. We'll walk through LinkedIn's built-in controls so you can stop push notifications and keep your focus. Start by heading to Settings and Privacy. Open the LinkedIn app or website and go to your account menu. On mobile, tap your profile photo, then choose Settings and Privacy. On desktop, click the Me icon at the top and select Settings and Privacy from the dropdown. This is where LinkedIn stores all your account and notification controls. Next, open the Notification section. In the Settings and Privacy menu, look for notifications in the sidebar or list. This page organizes every type of alert LinkedIn can send you, so you don't have to hunt around in multiple places. Now, select the categories you want to manage. LinkedIn groups notifications by what they're about. Things like messages, comments, and mentions, invitations, jobs, network activity, events, and more. Tap or click into a category to see the specific types of alerts within it. This lets you fine-tune what gets through so you can silence the noise while keeping the updates you rely on. Finally, toggle off push notifications. Inside each category, you'll see a push option for alerts that appear on your phone or as desktop banners. Switch push to off for the items you don't want interrupting you. The change applies right away, and you can move through as many categories as you like, turning push off wherever you need a quieter experience. Keep in mind, this controls push alerts only. It doesn't delete notifications themselves, and you can still find everything later by tapping the bell icon on LinkedIn. A few tips as you go. Start with the categories that cause the most interruptions, often messages you don't need in real time, social reactions, or general network updates. Leave push on for truly time-sensitive items, like direct messages from key contacts, if those are important to you. If you work across devices, make sure you review the categories that affect both mobile and desktop so you're covered everywhere you log in. When you're done, you should notice fewer pop-ups and dings right away. And remember, you can return to Settings and Privacy, open notifications, revisit any category, and toggle push back on at any time. It's completely reversible, so don't be afraid to experiment until the balance feels right. That's it. Settings and Privacy, open notifications, pick your categories, and turn off push. Enjoy the quieter, more focused LinkedIn experience.